Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My rap, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you come.
Sayiyo le ndaba kaMama futhi. Sawuyela kuMama futhi. Ukuthi uyabuye. Kanti muphi lo mama okhuluma ngaye?
Khona umama endlini, ngabelazi ngimfaka umbuzo uthi mama. Yebo mama. Mama.
Ubani usu.
Naye akayiza.
Ufaka ama-earpods mfethu, ungiqobela yena. Ethi abofaka ama-earpods. Mfethu. Uright mama. Mangithi mama la endlini ngabe ngikhuluma nobanje. Mangithi bafethu yazi. Ngidlulisela amanzi kumama lapha. Ngabe ngikhuluma noba. Oh, you don't mind mangithi mama. Oh yeah. If kushiwo mhlawumbe i-boyfriend yakhe kubiza ngomama, do you mind? Good right.
Great.
Okay. Sure, yezwa acid. Babiza
Esidana ndaba.
babiza ngomama mfethu.
Ufake acid. Ufake acid. Ufake acid.
Ayishaya leto.
Cha phela angithi acid.
Ufake acid. Sendra.
Okay.
Ufake acid.
Asesorola phela.
Yeah, mfethu enedwe boy let's get it.
Yazi ngishiso yini mina acid. Ayithi mfethu ithekeni muyithanda dog. Yabo like uyithanda. Usuke mfethu yabo. Uthola comfort kuyona, uthola uthando, uthola yonke lento le.
Umama.
Yabo leyo ungabuyi ithole
Mama.
Yabo unke.
Mama.
Yabo cause mfethu ngeke udate ithekeni ongekho proud ngayo. Yabo leyo nto. So lo muntu esifaza no proud ngayo ubuye interact ngayo ngendlela eyideep. Surely mfethu she's the feminine
She's your
part
mother.
of you. Yabo she's your mother in a way mfethu. Yabo leyo. Ukuthi phela. Yeah, umama cause
Diva. Diva acid. Kodwa ke
anyway state name so why state name Tony God. Shout out Tony God. Mo producer wako. Oh dog.
say ube mocho boy.
Yeah, she can be a wife.
Ready boy. Ready.
Umama wengane zakho ngithi uzomdate umuntu ozoba umama wengane zakho.
Yeah, ngikren.
Sambe.
Okay, let's roll. Nisitshele ke besavula ama vocal cords.
Sashayo do re mi fa sol la ti do.
Bizo flow kanjani? Sure, Bafethu, it's another episode, Bafethu. We're back with another one. We're chilling with UJRM.
Hola.
Say, kapa no 2 hours, Bafethu, ngiphethe nochi. Ngithathele lithuba mabingelele, Bafethu. Wechi kambani?
It's wami khamba khona
Moja. 2 hours.
Ngikren mina Bafethu kuhamba nina Bafethu.
Moja, Bafethu. You know who it is, Bafethu. Usipelo na umchito krend, Bafethu. You know how we do it. Subscribe, like us, ring bell. Uzoba notified method strong. Anytime, any day, Bafethu. Sikhona sikanjani. Kana yami khamba kanjani?
Bathi
Moja boy.
Ang-on kakhulu nigga.
Ngiyajabula ukuba nawe boy.
Ngajabula.
Sivakashele.
Mfethu usivakashi sethu lesho.
Showcase.
Usivakashi sosuku.
Yeah.
Bafethu niyayibuza ukuthi ubani uJRM ake ntathe nali ithuba ke manje ayisholo yena mfethu niyambona enkundleni zokuxhumana kuphi nakuphi sidini naye namhlanje phansi uyena athi nina bafethu
Zazi.
JRM bafethu bathi uzazise
Tell us more about yourself.
Yeah, so Kabalami Wandi.
mfethu
That's how my mama did it, you know what I'm saying? Yo,
Okay.
Velati, I'm gonna bless you, my son, with the dope ass name. You know what I mean? For dog, stage name is JRMO. Striker Summer Fans, jersey number 10. Fetsu. She done Fetsu. Homele is Caesar.
Showcase.
Grounding.
yeah yeah
Hip hop na cool studio right off it. But yes, jersey number 10, Striker Summer Fans.
kasaba fethu
Wola.
But team, I only.
Angithatha u5 dog.
Yo, I know this nigga, but hey, story for another day.
It's
Yeah.
got for another
Yo, I know both of these niggas, but hey, yeah.
Namhlanje simngawo sihlangene ngawo. Yeah. Bathini JR
I'm
mfethu?
good, my brother.
Khamba kahle.
Kambash.
Siyabonga mfethu. So sizokhuluma nawe.
Yeah.
Sikhulume ngomusic at the same time siphinde sikhulume nawe ngolwazi nje olugeneral mhlambe mayelana nawo music kokunye mhlambe mayelana nempilo yabo so nje we just gonna have a conversation ayikho into ehleliwe ayikho into etheni sizoxoxa na cause ngobushilo siyakwazi nawe yasazi so asike isidingo sokuthi silungise imibuzo like manje si hoste yabo jersey number 10 wethu
striker
sama fans ayithina yabo so
mangaki.
mangala manethi
Phela amagoli nisho maphi. Ukoro endaweni
for endaweni
Ah,
shona nelifika emqondweni mangaka amagoli.
Hayi plenty ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi ifuture yami bright and ngilokhu ngithi goal ngithi achieve uthi
That's the spirit.
bakhuluma ngamanye amagoli ke
amagoli
showcase
uJRM bafethu igama elaqhamuka kanjani sesidaza uJRM okay nango kuwandile use uJRM manje wandile
Yeah, so it's carrying Feds, born and raised, H2 section,
Feds
Georgia
rounding
around
15 left. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Represent.
showcase
Yeah, Doug. So I had a cousin, sister level. Tamalak, Alice.
sure
And then the thing is, she was also a rapper.
oh
Her name was Zapiemo back in the days. We found a cooler
and
dog.
then what
Hope Alice.
and then
APM
APM
Zapiemo. So
ZPM
yeah, with the
okay
Z.
okay
ZAPPY.
sure
showcase
So Fed, so what happened was, I had a name right before that.
sure
Daluma Junior Star, and I also got it from one of the.
one of the
Right?
boys yeah I
And
remember
then when I give it so good say somebody relationship with my cousin or good time.
okay
I was like, oh, y'all rap. I was like, oh, y'all rap, and
so
little brother, big sister type vibes. And then she used to battle rap like a cooler.
sure
Oh, from the cooler, right?
no after Tyson
Oh yeah, Tyson. Oh, and also cool.
Feds,
Yeah. Type of fit. Yeah, maybe she older than you, cause you know what I'm saying.
yeah the promotion
Yeah,
Feds.
man. She's a woman now, right? A successful woman right there. But hey, that's story for another day. But listen, man, Zappy Emo. And then, she used to battle rap. She used to sing. You know, Makeup Puder, right?
mega
Gase, Total.
Sure.
Yeah, she used to record there. I started recording there at some point. So then, so Shana Lab, we had a dope relationship. I was like, yo, man, I'm trying to change my name. She was like, yo, because we cousins, man, why don't you take the Emo Shandy? See, I'm like, damn, that would be dope, because kind of the ASAP, Yeah, man. And ASAP was the shit back in the road. Yeah.
baningi o ASAP
Yeah, you know what I mean? But it's like a movement, right?
Sure
Yeah. And then, man, I was like, yo. And she was like, JR, because I was Junior. Stunner.
Sure.
Like, I don't like Junior, man. Then I was like, yo, I can be the JR of your version, but the male level, Yeah, and that's how it happened, man. You know, I got it from my cousin's sister.
Let's say it's JRM.
JRMO, Striker
Hey.
Summer Fans, jersey number 10. You know what I mean?
Yalizwa ukuthi lihamba amlandi kanjani. Leka lokho ke we want the meaning of igama yabo.
Yeah.
Uvele ukuthi kahle kahle umsuka walo solo
Yeah,
ungaveli
yeah.
kuthiwa nje hayi
Showcase.
uphuze endlemini kwakwenze njani akwazizwa
Kodwa kusho ukuthi yayidle mini mfowethu. Showcase yabo.
indaba engaveli
Sure. So mfethu wasuka la esikhaweni
Yeah.
kade sonke silana
Yeah.
wa eThekwini mawufika eThekwini wawuyogeleza
Sure.
yabo
Deep.
awusibeka noma usibeka sonke ukuthi inhloso kwakuyini
Yeah.
isifiso kwakuyini
Yeah.
but then what was the outcome?
Okay, dog. Ngiyakudla ngindlela yokubuza
Sure.
ukubuza futhi.
Sure.
Dog, but doggy, they have faith so when the candidate matriculated,
Yeah.
then I went to DUT
Yeah.
to study. Oh, before that I went to Briatech,
Mhm.
right? Did my civil day thing in 3 and 4. Story for another day.
Yeah.
And then after that, I registered the following year. I registered DUT Bangkata for interior design. Right. And then I did interior design. Yeah, a couple of years, cause you know how it is about this.
Ziyakhala.
Learn the level.
Yeah, yeah.
Learn the level. You know.
Sure.
Yeah, and then it happened like that. But at the same time, you know, Vele Fitz was already doing music, you know.
Yeah. Well,
I feel I feel so. Probably Basho would say, because at the end, dog, with the education thing, I also, you know, ukunda for traveling I can't.
yeah.
We had a teacher, his colleague was Mr. Mbomf, right?
Mm.
Rest in peace, Mr. Mbomf.
he's late now.
Ngubani, right? Yeah.
All right.
So, you know, I think more than education, he also taught us about life.
Yeah.
And also prepared us, you know? In a funny way, though, because, you know, he was a trick but funny nigga, right?
Sure.
Yeah, man. And Gawaz was and also prepare myself for what's because man, just we're in a different place at Dubai, man.
Yeah.
University, yabo kukhulu yonke into kunabelungu manje la
Yeah.
let's carry
That's
it
all.
all you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And then I did my interior design thing while during the years, because I think I studied for like what Ben fail and it's dark, but try to Ben fail and it's like, you know, when you have to balance your music and the
Ukhuluma nomuntu owaziyo. So yeah, I know ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Yeah.
So,
yeah.
you know,
I know.
yeah, dog, and like I was really passionate about this music.
Sure.
Dog. I was like, oh, different city, bigger, a lot of people. Let's try it, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, bro, started recording because Vader Fits. So the thing about me is, no, like Taylor Fits. I feel like I'm a scholar type nigga. Ethanda ukufunda futhi ethanda ukwazi. Yeah, dog.
Balekile first.
uthi umfunda ekhulele ufunda nje lokho ufundile
Exactly, right?
kumele wazi into efundayo ezokubhekisa ngayo.
Sure.
Yeah, and so I learned how to produce. I learned how to record myself.
Sure.
Sometimes I make my own beats, but yeah, at that time I was doing all of that myself.
Sure.
Went about, you know, probably like 5 years. Because I think in this was kind of a spend of but I'm going to give it
5. Yeah.
5. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So
Sure.
it's sure I guess mhlawumbe ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi what inspired you, what was the motivation ngenkathi mfethu ufunda kodwa futhi unale drive music yabo,
Okay,
what
so,
kept you motivated nje ukuthi uzoyidiscover now as a musician?
Sure.
it's ile mpahla leyo ukuthi mfethu, you know, ekhaya ugogo dog. Yonke into engenza empilweni mfethu, ngenza ukuthi ngisheshe ngiphumelele ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngicover mfethu ukuthi ngijabulise ugogo.
Ngithi uzothi ugogo wayexukwini.
Nah, Gogo has been like the biggest part of my life.
Sure.
Yeah.
Shout out to
If not 80%.
Shout out to Umachi. Shout out to Umachi.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, Gogo Fetsu, she actually made it happen. Fetsu using your
She's the motivation. I say that.
You know, supporting me also emotionally, financially, all that shandy
Yeah.
stuff. That's like the photo phone. She was there.
Yeah.
She's still here.
Showcase.
Stop Peter Coach.
Showcase.
Shout out to Fetso
Magic. Motivation is still alive.
Exactly,
still
bro.
alive.
So that's why I have to wake up every day and keep on doing it, dog. So with me, I always believe, Wuti, if someone knows it's talent, the people like it, right? Also, I'm smart at school. Let's do the school thing.
Sure.
Failing with me, at some point, it became like, I don't care anymore.
Yeah.
Let me have a lense so I can still be in Durban.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
So this is also
Right?
as an advantage. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then, bro, did my thing. Few years later, dog, Pelu Nespas.
Yeah.
But Nespas, he helped me buy studios, cameras, everything that I have. I have like whole corporate
Showcase.
Fati if it's Pelu Nespas, you name lens, dog, sing me like Academy,
Yeah.
broadcasts, Then Visa also had to save me from that scientist.
Sure. Sure.
And then what also science and music ngisafunda futhi
At the same time.
Ngifocus kakhulu manje ku music cause
Sure.
sengikwazi ukuphuma sengishaya ama shows in
Yeah.
Dubai.
Yeah.
Fethu Jameson Pub, dog, you know
Jameson
that
Pub,
place,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, man, you know what I mean?
Showcase,
Yeah, man.
football, yeah.
Shout out to Jameson Pub, man.
Sure.
He's
For
there.
stay as a platform.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alligator MC. They
Showcase,
Big
showcase.
Brother. Yeah, man. Shout out to those niggas, man.
Yeah.
They gave me a platform.
Showcase.
Then I'm not telling you what Dubai. Them was kill you show Dubai. Cause God laugh is God. I never used to kill it this side, to be honest. It's like,
I can't.
yeah, you never used to kill it this side.
I
Also,
can't ngalendlela
dog,
ekhaya
my first show is Embu in Empangeni first.
Sure. By
And ngangifunda ekhandleleni. Dabili sweat ngaboleka kolova ngadrip.
Bahlanganisa impahla
Thing I perform.
Sure.
Like performer. Look now, lava face on to RTF. Cybers, Took Dance, Bramura. Shout out to all those niggas because I still listen to that music till this day.
Showcase. Yeah.
Till this day, I still listen to their music. You know what I mean?
Sure.
But yeah, man. I perform with like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Song get out now.
Yeah.
So what's song get out me now?
Can't get out. Not Dina, you.
And I was like, never again, right? Because people were just,
Waiting for you to get on the stage.
exactly right.
Yeah.
And then I was like, you know what?
Yeah.
Definitely finishing school. Definitely going to Durban, dog.
Yep.
I ain't finna let nobody, do it like that. They gonna feel me, cause
Sure.
I'm an audience
What's
now. Next time when I come back here,
Yeah.
they gonna feel me, right?
Sure.
Yeah, but yeah, the Durban thing happened. I fades because my dad is also from that side, right?
Yeah.
Avoca Hills, dog. And, luckily Fitsum the Enormous was very welcoming. Yo, dog, like, he ain't gotta struggle. Pull up, what's the challenges,
Sure.
Sign up, Coke, Fitsu,
So you went to Avoca.
I started Avoca,
Sure.
right?
Sure.
So then from there, I think I had the time because I had 2 years of Wusinje Fitsu phone, then Shai them lens, because I didn't go in the lens.
Yeah.
I think I might have.
Yeah.
I had 4 lenses next one, so 2.
Yeah. Oh.
Then I did that. Wow. Then I had a studio set up. Shout out to Gurulev.
Showcase.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we call each other Guru, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, because, a studio where I can set up. Yeah. Because they come in,
That's a covering laugh.
let
Yeah.
me do all the shit.
Mm.
Man, yeah, man. And I recorded music that actually put me on sort of like demos, but not really demos. Because music is like content.
Sure.
Music that I also,
Oh, yeah.
let me go perform this thing, shoot content.
See.
And then, man, got recognized by Philoman Beats,
Sure.
right? DJ Wobbly.
Sure.
Actually, I met these niggas. They didn't recognize me. No. Hey, niggas, I met y'all. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
That's that guy.
Yeah, I approached them. I was like, I'm a rapper. I'm JRMO. Let's do this thing,
Sure.
And they were very welcoming. But Philoman actually was like, because Philoman is a producer, right?
Sure.
And then Philomen I started dog. Yeah, boy Pumda scorer. Like your scorer. It's like nah, I look brother face because Philomen Fitz, he's a multi-platinum selling producer. Yo, make some
Shout
noise.
out to Fitz. Shout out
This
to
is a multi-platinum selling producer Philomen, the Philomen beat.
Okay.
So you scored
But yeah,
both
man.
on that day.
That's a story for another day. Yeah.
Producer and the other shit.
But yeah, dog, I started na Fitz so But if it's ngiyarapha mfethu, ngiyazi mfethu uproducera ama-artist amakhulu ayithekile.
Sure.
I'd like to be, you know, do a song with you. Hey, nigga, now I'm sure. She ain't that lady, man. Shut corner. She ain't that lady. I'm the soft.
Sendela lezi shandis list.
DM or
Sure,
send
sure.
them a beat, right? Hint me a beat. The song that we did it to is Azize, which is about to also drop.
Lazite.
Oh, Zazie.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, sent me the beat. I recorded it same night, right?
Sure.
Yeah, but I sent it back.
Ukuthi na lo muntu uyasebenza.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I have
yeah.
a studio
Ubuyisa
studio,
manje. Sure, sure.
Sent it back. Damn, I am feeling wow, dog. You know, I didn't think you were a little fast.
Sure.
And then Gwenzigala and Faith, so and then Philomen was like, yo, bro, pull up, let's go to Pine Town. So, you know, cause he also was producing for Beast at that time.
Sure.
You know, not much.
Beast in the head.
He started saying, Trick Razzo, know what I mean?
Big Raz.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Then John Dini himself.
And John Dini himself, bro.
Sure,
Shout
sure,
out to
sure.
Beast.
And then he took me to, you know, to his crib, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Starstruck level, and pull up on that dog, Razzo, like, see the dog, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like, yo,
When uthukile kodwa
yeah, like, it's really happy. It's really
Nah,
happening, dog.
nah.
Ubona ku-TV wena.
Dog,
Sure.
it's really heavy. I'm like,
Sure.
why is it?
Yeah.
Uthi tuvele wa imhlangane naye kuthangi, recording ngoba izolo, namhlanje sesizwe.
Sesila.
Dog.
Like
Days of
yabo,
Life.
so
After that, dog.
so kancane ukuphula ulimi
Yeah.
but uyakubona ukubaluleka kokukhuluma noma kokuthatha action kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi so ngingacela ukuthi kancane uthi ukubeka like any artist elikhona because ayikho into ebaluleka ukudlula lento ayenza yabo because
Yeah.
njengamanje ukhuluma ngayo and iyakusebenzela yabo ukubaluleka kokukhuluma noma ukubaluleka kokuthi uma uthola ithuba ngaleso sikhathi umuntu ombonayo ukuthi uyasebenza usondele eduze kwakhe futhi uyenze into osukuyishilo yabo so ngizama ukuhighlight ukuthi noma ngabe ubani noma athi ukuphi noma athi wenzani kubalekile ukuthi noma ngabe iliphi ithuba olitholayo lisebenzise same time and make sure ukuthi
bambe izandla
you
zombili.
make something out of it
Because you never know.
ube strike it's just number 10 noma ngabe iliphi elifikayo bese ibhola make sure you score.
You know what I'm saying?
So you start struck manje you in the house you in studio sekwenzakalani after that
Dog.
sure
And then, bro, super respect level. The Brazil just stood up. Yo. Like, come on, Jackson.
sure
Oh,
Singaphume
he's like a man, dog.
Sure.
You good, dog. Glad, dog. It's a showcase, dog. Brazil. Glad, Brazil. Show the pastor,
the Brazil himself
it's like a classic.
showcase
I was thinking we can learn about Brazil.
yeah sure
Yeah. Phile Saboji, we was Jolly Shandy, you see.
Sure.
We feel like Aziz.
Yeah.
Everybody went crazy.
usedlala lengoma eliyenzile sure
Crazy in
sure
the crib, dog. No. Holy brother.
Energy,
Time. Put the verse
Sure.
left. What's faggy verse? Faggy verse, dog.
sure
Dog.
sometime.
Same time, dog.
Yeah,
I brother, yeah. Good shit. I get you. Shine this stuff.
plus vela kaza
Dog,
catch
we had a great time, bro. First time, Jay, what's in Vetsu? Damn.
sure
We got Hennessy here. We got Jamie.
big
For real? But that shit,
election
we got all the, you know what I'm
Sure,
saying? Those bottles,
sure.
dog. You know the damn, dog. Yeah, that was
I'm
super
on another level now.
food and all of that, dog. Christina Sugala Vetsu Shaiko slow, dog. Kilaga solo.
okay.
Your studio face.
face.
You take a sense.
Sure.
Let's do the dog. La part talking. Shower Vetsu bye. I was like, bro, what's going on?
sure
I'm gonna continue singing. I'm not
don't like what's going on
I'm not a heavy drinker, but it's like
Lapho ngakusasa
singing pools at
lapho
that.
umqondo wakho yipi into edlalayo ukuthi okay njengamanje sekwenzekile impahla la usenakho ukuthi nakanjani yabuya la kusasa.
No, dogs.
Akafiki nje lo njengoba play.
Because with me, it's like, hey, bro, I'm just grateful of the good thing because we were at least,
in the same group.
you know what I mean?
bafike bakhombisa positive shandis mabelalela something from when
Exactly, dog. I also kwaba ile mpasho ukuthi nje 50 mina uthi fesibang biza bazongibiza
Bazokubiza,
phela kwakuyichillazi
Sure.
really a studio session.
Yeah. And I said it like siyahamba njengoba suke senze samsovala
Yeah,
Sure,
some
true.
shit, right? And then
yeah
yeah,
ithela phewa lo bhuti.
yeah, dog. Like maybe like 3 days later, Phenomenal something to paint time. I'm like, go ahead. Oh yeah, I'm like, oh, where the scout is?
Buyela la. Kuthiwa siyaphindana, ubuzi kaningi.
Let's go then, dog.
Uyabuyela, sure.
Yeah, bro. And ever since, dog. Life has never been the same.
It's never the same. Sure.
And it was a thing, Yoguti. More than anything, it's family, dog. Yeah, bro, because it's like they're my big brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's with my name. It's a whole lot of us, you know. Big brothers, Jeffrey. So shout out to my father, Mission.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Mission is
Shout out
part
to my
of
father, Mission.
the Jandy initial.
Catch me up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my name, Jakes, bro. Some Buzonki's into, bro. There's a new brand coming. Shout out to Mungo and Fix.
New brand.
Yeah.
That's you.
Nah.
Oh.
It's family in the room.
It's family.
But yeah, bro, it's my name, Fates. It's just Mbambisana Njigoba Fates, you know. And I'm just a little brother type shit.
True.
Nadithuba njengamanje kuthiwa pick your 3 or 3-5 artists you can like do a cypher with them. A cypher, yeah. Play with words with them.
Yeah, okay.
Abantu babona ukuthi no man, these guys
I choose Flint Gypsy, Taurus.
playing Gypsy. Yeah.
Taurus
Africa.
Taurus rhymes and from the OGs, I think I'll choose Simu, but I'll choose Creature McNerd, not Simu.
Not Simu.
Yeah,
You want the
Mc-
creature version?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's the 3 artists to shaya cypher.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to features map, mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi like 035 ungashana ama-50
Sibunzuza, dog.
Sibunzuza, you want Sibu ke lapho.
You want Sibu, not the creature.
Simu right now, Simu.
Yeah.
Simu, dog.
Showcase.
Pulele, nigga.
Yakhuphuka mfethu.
Grandma nigga.
Hey.
Come on, bro.
Hey.
CSK, dog, representing. nigga.
Kuyithina bonke labo
Exactly,
mfethu.
bro.
So usathi mfethu sengiyakhumbula ukuthi mfethu so kwenzakalani lapho mfethu.
Hey, bro, that
Is
song
that
changed my life, bro.
Sure.
You know what happened, dog? So, boom, right? Fade to Dundee July.
Sure,
Yeah, but Dundee July,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Dundee July, maybe like 3 years ago, 3 years ago.
Yeah. 2023,
Yeah,
2022.
right?
Yeah.
We were supposed to go to Dundee July. We got the hiccup, we fit bus, we fit was coaching a Labani King Gabo. So we had 2 buses. I am the Lord dog and I'm a prize because they had to,
Sure.
you know, be feeling time slots for
Yeah.
Well, Sasala, dogs, Sasala, the guy defense. Always dogs.
Yeah,
Dog, I could. Jardini Entertainment, bro. We live on passenger dog. You was in bits who's face to biting. It's just, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, but it's like, damn, we didn't go. That was supposed to be my first show, though.
Yeah.
You know? Like, not first show, though, per se. But so what's it? We go
Yeah. Stages tell woods.
right?
Sure.
And then, cause at that time, ganga have now go ne platform.
Yeah. For
And then, Flange other faces like, you know what, dog? Go give me to Percy, Filament Beats, is studio.
sure.
And Binta Jakes, which is our big brother.
Yeah.
In January. So but we had recorded a couple of songs. Since those were 3, right? So after that, come over if it's around 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
In Fates, Filament was like, yo, bro, do you understand what is it in Fates? 1,000 times a day, but you don't even notice, right? Because Ilingo has said to buy now Faith.
Faith.
As if you Faith.
Faith now. Yeah.
And play this sentence
I was like,
up.
damn, Faith, you know what I mean? Then, that's Faith. You know?
Sure.
And then, I was like, and then, Percy was making that beat. Now, that beat's hanging because you're going to be seeing shit.
Sure. But we're in.
And then go by the old pass the face.
Sure.
It got the face.
Sure.
After that, Kunzega first would say, record and the first go was just record about the But it was really dope. That's a game. Feel like 8 double drums, 8 white tools, you know. There's feeling no pain.
Nisele njalo kuyaperform edandi.
Right, so what's it dog? It's a party game.
Sure.
Like, studio, so
Sure.
you see that pellet.
Yeah.
Drunk dog. Dog, ile opa house je face kumnandi manje
Sure,
yabo.
sure.
Simpes goes off. So so lapho iprazi buya around 8. So weird time, yabo. Very easy to do. It's like, yo, listen to this thing, dog. Yeah, we made a song. And lapho just ngoma istazi interpreter with help his whole.
Yeah.
Does it the record, yo?
Sure.
It's a full
Shout out
yabo.
Yeah. I'm feeling ngiyakhona.
Kwenze fethu like say brazo. Na ishandu sawila ne. Brothers how it lele. It's blindly lempa.
Showcase.
Yeah, boy, competition brazo. I'm really happy inside this world. Sure, smooth after the studio.
Sure.
Nada passa em this one, this one. Pelo chef verse. Piston gave me the
Same time.
After that,
Sure.
dog, everything, dog.
Izinto zenzanga
I
yindlela.
changed a dog.
Sure.
You know, and I was like, damn, dog. We need to drop this one, dog. I finally have like a hit, Snip Brazo, you know? Damn, we need to drop this one. But it Brazo, you know? And the team was like, we need someone who, cause me at that time I wasn't big time, so they were still trying to build the JRM.
Yeah.
You're like, yo, bro, Meech is also part of the family. Shout out to DJ Meech.
DJ Meech.
Let's give the song
Showcase.
to Meech. And
Yeah.
then, yeah, Percy also stood.
Hmm.
You know, so the songs like Meech and
Percy.
Percy's featuring JRM
Yeah,
beats.
and then Beast.
It's Filament Beats, right? And then, yeah, bro, dropped the song, went crazy, bro. Meech over the shopping.
Sasangana kendawo.
Yeah, bro, and that
Nakho-ke
the song that actually changed my life.
nakho-ke
Sure.
isidlala ku-TV uthi uma uyibuka for the first like airing on TV.
Yeah.
Kwenzakalani like mina iphwena yathini njengomuntu owathatha umusic usufika ezingeni lokuthi you see yourself on television now. Doing what you
Is
started
everything okay, dog?
No, go right. Imic.
starting like ngalendlela oqale ngayo njengamanje usuyibona kumabonakude.
Sure.
Hey, bro, that's crazy. I never thought kwakuzoba hilesi isikhathi because ngiyabo.
Yeah.
Which namanje ngisakusebenzela because I feel like dog if I feel like kunkulu first why kwenzeka it's cause ayikho mfethu abomzali especially because ngenzela ugogo dog. It's hard to convince umzali ukuthi
Uyaqula. Yeah.
things I knew a cook.
Hey, sign it in. Yabona. Sure. Sure.
No, don't just say
Sign in.
But
I
yo.
understand then today.
Yeah, dog, but like yeah, bro. It was really a life-changing experience. Nganga nje Fitz, you know, to nanga pena me how it was.
Sure.
Cause sisho sela video Fitz ngangith kakuzoba kanje. Yabo nje Fitz.
Yazi bethu kwaphuma ngeno cheese. Ufika kanjani umthunzi Sithombeni?
Tony dog.
Understand ukuthi yena vele ungasathekile ngabe nawe usumningi eThekwini yabo.
Bakwata imic speak.
Nawe
Your
usumningi eThekwini yabo. So yonke lento le ifika kanjani ekuthenini man? Let's do a track and then call out stampe uTony.
So,
Yeah, cause very
With Tony, bro, he partially ukuthi Filament Beats made it happen. Cause Filament was also
I feel a man.
Yeah,
Okay, so look
kukhona
at feel my faces are crazy.
I feel them.
Look how I feel
shit.
it.
One day you gotta have
Showcase. I feel ukuthi wena I feel azohlala nathi. Have conversations with him because
Hey,
should kuninga ngasiphothela khona.
No,
So,
but yeah. Filament.
Yeah.
Because Fila, I think he was producing, he was working on Tony's project,
Sure.
the album.
The album left now.
Yeah, and
I
then,
think it's
you know,
your queen Alena nje.
induction.
Yeah.
that track.
Induction, right? Yeah, but with the red cover, right?
Well,
And then we pull up and fade to our studio,
Joe.
Camp Lev. Yeah, you know, that. Oh, wait, no. My recording she's put out that's it. Yeah. Was the recording hundreds no on a price of piece, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but with the cheese, yeah, Filament because ingoma funa man itshist.
So yeah, it's not yours, but isn't it like ngizama ukuveza ukuthi since wena usukile la abantu who you got like to interact with.
Oh, Tony,
Yeah. People.
Yeah, Tony's my boy, dog. Like Tony's my.
Abantu njengamanje sisho ukuthi they doing something on music ababonakalayo worldwide. Yabo babe big boy nje ngana so
Yeah,
kana
big
nofana emgaqweni bawuthola idemand uzovela khona ngoba yathona inhlwa.
Yo,
The strays.
a big boy for real.
Hey,
Yeah.
Sure, dog. No, mina mfethu ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi like are you ngozukhuluma about signing, are you signed under a certain record label? No, like, and also like is it lento yokuba signed under a record label, is it still relevant if you are a musician, if you're an artist, is it still important ukuthi ube signed under a specific record label?
Mina, dog, I am not signed contractually, like,
Sure.
you know, but I am gentleman's agreement and also family type vibes.
Yeah.
But you can't mix business with pleasure, Penny. You know,
Yeah.
but I'm in business with my brothers.
Yes.
You know, yeah, bro. Petwe Janine Entertainment, the company, management also Janine Entertainment. You know, so
Shout out.
I'd say Garola the company, but we don't have anything dotted on paper, so I wouldn't
Dotted on
say I'm
paper,
signed,
yeah.
but I am signed to Janine Entertainment, right? Is it signing still relevant, Doug?
Generally, not just for you, generally.
Generally, yes. Yes and no.
Okay.
If you are an artist, that the thing is, Doug, it's the money game type shit, right?
Sure.
Yeah, you need
Usifuna imali yephepha, besifuna imali.
no, Doug, like the marketing thing,
Oh, yeah.
all of those.
Yeah,
You know, Doug.
Yeah.
You gotta pay for those things, and that's what the record labels offer. You know,
Sure.
also to just create an artist within G. Pay some shay, some plus say that
Yeah.
this is your image.
Cover, they cover you as an artist. Sure.
You know,
Yeah.
that's what record labels do if you don't have the funds. But if you have the funds, bro, and you have the traction also, yeah, dog, you can just do it yourself, dog.
That's
you know?
interesting.
Yeah.
So but do you think
either way,
okay, so if usho kanjalo, if uthi mhlambe if you manage mhlambe there's
Yeah.
no need for you to be signed under any
no,
record
Pela,
label.
dog, it's not really. Also, you need the knowledge, Pela. and-
Sure.
Okay, let me say this: if you have traction and you can afford to push your shandies,
Sure.
at least have, because Pela, even deals, there are different types of deals.
Our
Not like
fan.
we'll see,
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we just I think it's just a matter of getting a right deal for what you're trying to achieve. Yeah.
Yeah, because nami ngibuziswa inloko first, because you remember ibrowser fethu the one who passed away.
Yeah.
Enlighten intwana fethu live on stage, you
Ricky Rick. Yeah.
It's do your shit, push into us.
Yeah, we never die, multiply.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't booze on it, because I wanted to go to the party on social media, to push your thing.
Sure.
They go on YouTube. How important is that to someone social media? Because more attraction, I think.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
It's
Attraction.
very, very,
Like how important.
it's very, very important, dog. Especially now, bro, because as if it's social media actually pays now. More Facebook. It
Yeah.
doesn't even pay water, but dog, you get exposed to a whole lot of different new avenues like sponsors.
Sure.
Let's say in Vedzo,
Sure.
maybe Omek is doing a new shandies, maybe Blue,
Yeah.
for example, and then they get inspired by maybe Lumplasido for you also for a win, and then maybe you become the ambassador or something like that. So, yeah, bro, take the shit around. Yo, sorry. What was the question?
Isn't there out there like the business part of music?
Yeah.
No intwana fethu isaqhamuka efuna ukwenza music ibheke
Bayadidiseka.
moment and professionality in
Yeah.
industry.
Yo, social media fethu yazi ngathini friends yabona nje fethu TikTok ungaphopula usela la esikhawini nalezi intwana ezintsha fethu who did a campaign guy
Dolphin and James.
My dolphin, right?
Yeah,
And I think they understand they. Right? Bro, you gotta see those niggas' numbers, bro. We have what to say wavy, bro.
Sure, to
You know
say.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Now it's all about that, dog. If you can able to create your craft and make it super professional for the people, because Instagram, gag, if it's a bit of post, you just take
Just
it.
anything. Sure.
That's why people have iPhones now. If you
Yeah.
don't have a camera,
Sure.
yeah. So your thing has to be creative. You just need to have a niche, bro. Into chaza wena vez. Ngendlela ufuna ukuyichaza ngayo, but ngendlela nathi esizoyithanda.
Sure.
Know what I mean?
You see, like your little administration, thing management and stuff.
Sometimes it does.
Something like a record label.
Yeah, sometimes it does, because us as artists, bro, but dog, nazi nje mfethu siya, you know, we
But you
go
can't
through a
do
lot.
everything.
You know, we go through a lot.
I help.
You can't do everything. Fitz. Sure.
Yeah. Khona into kanjalo futhi. Yeah, bro. Sometimes if it's yeah, especially nje musa qala first, yeah, think kanjalo, no umuntu ozothi say that's the siyokwenza ukuthi we going through
Sure.
this, you know. That's what Njandini Entertainment does for me.
Yeah.
Thanks to this radio station, we're releasing okay, let's go to this radio station interview. We got you a gig. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, think kanjalo.
So
you
it's
just
important
for marketing.
Sebenza nayo na
Sure.
To have a team that understands you, bro. Cause hey, duck. Dog,
Yeah.
we are creatives, dog, you know. And creative in the business is sometimes, most of the time, you clash.
Get fish. Yeah.
Yeah, well, because first,
So
but yeah, dog, you just need to have a team that really understands you. I always say, mwasomeneje umchita mhlampe fwagini noma umchita nkhule naye.
Sure.
Yeah.
Who understands when?
Who understands
and
when
then
ukuthi umuntu
the-
asukile unjani.
Sure, the craft side of you.
All everything,
Sure.
dog. What are your struggles? What are your
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
uJRM njengamanje ukhona esingakulindela, like you're working on something or like any music coming out in this.
Bro, I just dropped the project, dog. Striker Summer Fest, jersey number 10.
Jersey
Striker
number
Summer
10.
I have to check it out, dog.
Sure.
Yeah,
I
what?
have to check it out, dog. I have to check.
Man, I dropped this Sunday.
And
months
did
ago.
you perform one of the tracks on Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I opened with the dog's tools.
Sure. So how many tracks ikuyona? Athina ama features ikuyona?
Huh?
Kusona Spani. How many tracks iwashayile? Athina ama features akhona?
On Striker Summer Fest.
Sure.
I have 7 songs.
Yeah.
I featured Beastar Say,
Yeah.
2 songs.
Huda.
And Buddha,
Showcase,
Big Razzo,
showcase.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I featured Mbali N. She's
Oh.
from Jersey.
Yeah.
On Itembalam.
Sure.
It's a very beautiful song, my guy. Super beautiful
So,
song.
mawuyisho kanjena out of 7.
Ithemba lami awubesho nje ithemba lakho ngisela ngathi nje intombazane ba.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, so ithini story sethemba lami.
So I'm about to shoot a music video for Itembalam also.
Sure.
So the thing about Itembalami, what I was trying to portray
Yeah.
for Woodson Fetsu, you know, ile mpahla leyo Woodson Fetsu kunothando lunga document.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Yabo kunothando Fetsu. Look, for example,
Yeah.
i-couple yase-hostel inomndeni ehlala sonke ehlala e-hostel. For example nje, let me just make a typical example.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, as you know, man, angikhuluma ngasekamereni, but yeah, umhlekisa kanjani umama ezitabi?
Yeah.
Yabo basa, ikhalo zinjani wena?
Yeah.
You know, like different cultures, bro. Ukuthi uthando sezo red roses, you know what I mean?
Amanga.
Ferrero Rocher. You know what I mean? Yeah, ikabi yenze njani imihlekisa imama. Yabo, akusiyo, it's not always about to get kamereni.
Yeah.
And ngeke fits, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Dog, kunomama fits abayibambile imizi yabo, dog.
Sure.
Yeah, fits yabona umpahla uthi fits baba la ekhaya sebenza egoli. Dog, like, look at that Shandis, bro. Omkhulu bethu. Uyosebenza egoli.
Yeah.
Shiwe mafrula.
Do you understand, dog, ukuthi mfethu for those niggas, we don't, but like, what's in at least we know now of his.
Yeah.
Look,
Yini ayipusha yonke.
so I'm trying to
Yeah.
portray Uthando Lanjani
Sure.
document. Yo,
Yeah.
actually, there's, you know, so yeah, Tembalami, we Tembalami, so first last time.
Yeah.
So the story of the song is like a nigga went to Jersey
Sure.
for work, left his mama and the child.
Sure.
Yeah, bro, and then fed so doggy. So we are with December.
Yeah.
Kothi mama nje mfethu sayiphethe kathini mama nje lokho send imali
Yeah.
hlize eyimayini ngiyangiwe
Yasetshela.
kodwa mfethu kunothando kunomndeni okhulayo futhi
Okuyindlela ebekade kwenzeka ngayo vele.
yeah dog, you know,
Ngalezi
I like black families that
Sure.
we
Yeah.
don't have to be rich, but we are powerful when we are a family.
Yeah.
Dog, present father, present mother. You know, more nowadays, especially present fathers, dog. Hey,
Man.
you know what I mean?
Sure.
So yeah, I like it when it's like that. Uthando document. That's what I'm trying to portray. It's and shout out
So-
to Badi because
So shout out to Umbali and wayenza lento lena.
But yeah, you should check it out.
Sure.
Timberland, chasing number 10, striking some affairs. You know?
Showcase.
Uthando dog, talk about Uthando. There's a support thing it's from my friends who from the Germany throughout the Virginia music.
From the fans, bro, super dope, super awesome.
Sure.
Shout out to all my fans. Shout out to all the people, everybody who's supporting me, man.
Sure.
You know, friends and everybody, you know. Family starting to, you know, there's light.
Yangene emakhanda.
There's lights.
Phela kwenzeka njalo vele.
Right? Even on radio, bro. You know, and because my grandma listens to radio, my auntie listens to radio. It's like, wow.
So like job push out till you make it.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
And then they will
Yeah.
start believing in you.
Exactly, bro. You know what I mean? So yeah, bro. It's like now it's a matter of okay. Now we want to see you thrive, though.
Sure.
Now we want to see you having using those up. We want to see you filling up. So it's just like because my grandma loves this job. It's like now we want to.
That was a fun of those jobs.
Sure.
So Gileo Basha.
Sure. So
Baninde lezo impahla bangezithatha sesibonile.
kwenzakalani sekulindwa iy'thelo manje.
Yeah.
Ithi isihlahla sesikhulile sesisidaka sithela ini njengamanje.
Yeah, bro.
So uthe okay, now I'm taking you back because bese sidlulile ngenxa yokukhuluma yabo.
Yeah.
We just having a conversation.
Let's do it.
Let's
do it.
So and then lo 5 years wawuspenda lokhuzaneni duty
Yeah.
doing interior design
Yeah.
and then wagraduate of it. And then kwenzakalani lapho
Span.
ke? Like
Hey, bro. It's like because I graduated like last year.
last year, ngiyakhumbula.
So it was a thing. I would see. I'm still focused on the music thing.
Yeah.
Not that I'm not focused on the interior design, Shandis.
Mhm.
Because you know we out do projects from there and there. You know,
Yeah.
privately.
Yeah.
Like yo, I need you to design my spread units. I
Sure.
need you to design my kitchen food and type shit.
I'm gonna send you an email, my brother. Privately.
But on the side, yeah, that's what I do. Cause yeah, but I haven't worked for like a company in interior design, which
Sure.
yeah, I'd really love that one day. You know what I mean? Which I think I will. But for now, I'm just focused on the music. You know,
Sure.
cause Conteza, faith. But yo, to December, dog. Nah, bro. December,
siyawela njengamanje ngithi
yeah.
siyawela from u-JJ njengamanje
ama-JJ sesikuma-JD manje.
bathi yona ile kuvala ngayo unyaka yona into ebhizi ema-1 yeah yabo so njengo-emo okay I saw a post what they call this event invaders yeah and ngikhumbula kahle first ngaqala ukubona event ase 035 ofakiwe as in like an artist is going to perform.
Now, first things first, dog. I got the I was performing last week on your birthday, dog. You was there, right?
My nigga.
With that one, it was what music is life. Yeah, music.
I didn't see the post.
Mango.
though.
Yeah,
Mango. Kumbul.
yeah. Those were the first niggas to book me. Shout out to Munjiva Dog for BF King. I don't know if I should call him manager or whatever. Yeah, he actually booked me, and yeah, I think I've been waiting for booking Galera. I've been telling you, though, right?
lapho nami ngithi ngoba since kunale booking ngomhla ka-20
Yeah.
Invaders.
Yeah.
Is there any ekhona noma kubonakala mfethu because like kana ungala ekugcineni
Nah, bro.
umnandi mfethu ukuba nawe ngala
Yeah. No.
kodwa futhi ubumnandi wakho kuba nawe ngala nawe usuke usebenza usuke ngala
But for this month, I'm doing Invaders. We invading, man. Pull up Richest Bay.
I'll
buy
be
all
sure,
the
man.
Okay, so besika nje,
Down,
so
stop,
besikhona
stop,
sikunikeza konke okwenzakalayo
Um,
the day.
Vua podcast
Yeah, y'all pulling up?
Yeah.
Let's do it, dog. Let's do it, dog. Let's do it.
podcast,
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, man. I'll be there performing. Yeah. Shout out to Mandy for the booking.
Sure, shout out to
While Fontaine level, you know, because
I saw there's a new formation
with While Fontaine, yeah. Because I think the Fallers are doing like the tour or something like that. I'm not sure.
around yeah
for album yabo le.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. They're pushing now.
Yeah, they are pushing.
Shout out to Amal. What's with there?
What's the
Showcase.
But yeah, bro. Yeah.
uzosebenzeka mfethu
But for this Invaders,
yeah
then I'm going back to Durban on the 30. I think on the 30. What is that? But the weekend,
yeah uzokuba maintained
yeah. Then on the
it means
5th,
a big weekend uzokuba maintained
5th also I have a show.
Sure.
So I'm going back to Durban. One month and there's what 10 shows inside. Oh, Blink Jail Skip. Invaders. And then we're doing Il Sam and Friends on the 5th of July.
Sure.
Oh, Invaders on the 20th
yeah
of June. Bill Tam and Friends
Sure.
on the 20th, on the 5th of July. And then on the 30th, we're doing Green Rose. Hey, I forgot the name of the
Yeah,
show.
yeah.
But yo, sorry, my nigga. But it's at Green Rose Musgrave. Yeah, on the
Yeah.
30th. Yeah, I'll be there, yeah.
Showcase.
Sure, don't. People that would again that what where you ever a part of relation this there hip hop something kasi kasi something there be
Zagwe.
that's it.
Yeah, bro. Shit, go went crazy. Hey, Brazo. You know what happened, right?
It was weird.
Yeah.
so you're representing EO35
Yeah, basically.
yes sir yes
Kids it's inside out and the ends and look down you never super.
Nah, bro. Nah. I wanted to, but I don't know why.
When I was the end of the Kasi versus Kasi, just like the once-off thing and then I'm something.
I don't know, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen, but the last one was a tie, I think. You know,
Side between who and who.
Amashu and Inanda, I think. If I'm not sure.
But
Yeah.
shout out to Azizwe. Azizwe
Yo, man, shout out to Azizwe, man. Yo,
She won best female.
Yeah. She won an award for
Hood versus Hood.
Hood versus
Hood
Hood.
versus Hood.
Yeah, that's
Gaza. And say ESK.
Hey,
So
It's that way in the same now.
Azizwe Sami. Yeah.
sake saba naye kwisezokusa live session
Sure.
yeah
So yeah, mfethu kodwa mfethu kuningi bese sakhuluma nje.
njengamanje into ngifuna siye kuyona mfethu
Sure.
ngifuna siye kulempahla abathi it's a new thing that you just introduced but i Panther of the week.
Okay.
Yes. So I nominatiwe G kubo bani wasenkwelezana ubani Shochi
La we say you put to go but I want to play from a cheat.
Patayisa no lover.
The chicken dance to push
Showcase.
lawa ngakwi-shelter la ezansi
Sure. You laugh it to ngase ase garage. So
umungene kwelezana
siphinda sibaza amagama
No,
iphutha
ulokhuzana ugcine eyibhalile awuyicingi ngiyathi ugcine eyibhalile.
Somebody. Chicken dance kodwa nje amajita.
kodwa ngoba usuchazile ukuthi angakuphi ibona abazoba i-punt of the week showcase punters of the week
Support the home.
Abantu futhi ayavela amajita la futhi kuma-teams makusaqala i-podcast yabo. Ziyazani. Sure. Majita bafethu shay chicken dust bafethu.
Hayi bafethu kambani bafethu no support abafethu support.
asidleni ukudla kwaselokishini bafethu asidleni ukudla kwaselokishini
Yeah, you know, but siyazama ukuphusha bafethu amaphanta abantu abendwayo.
sure so asiphusha nensod
So baza
So yeah.
bezame nokuthi mfethu amapulazi
Symbols mfethu.
Symbols.
Symbols yalapha engolezana.
Symbols chicken
Symbols chicken.
yebo Symbols chicken yahamba yalusheki
Don't get yourself a Symbols chicken.
opposite Deponez now Deponez la naba ngaphesheya.
uyeke-ke lo ngapha bawushoyo uye ngale kwasiwa Symbols lo ngala uye then go side showcase
Mfethu singaqedi
Singakayivala.
mfethu nje you know. Like you think mfethu nokubuza like small like advice onginikeza amajita.
Yeah.
Fame mfethu like you know to fame is a drug, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so what can you say nje mfethu badu amajita sokasi who are just making it, you know, music industry in terms of discipline, you know, benga strike kakhulu. Say in terms of maintain longevity egameni mfethu yabo.
Showcase.
Behavior and yonke leyo nto.
Dog, give away but more than anything, feel so. Ilento fethu sifundiswe lezo madladlela respect umunye umuntu umazi
Lazi into nagogo.
ukwazi ukuphila nomunye umuntu. Dog leyo mpahla fethu respect sikwazi ukuphila nomunye umuntu umazi
Omunye umuntu.
kahle kahle nje ubuntu kuyinto eyodwa even if you're a musician
yeah dog
just be
'Cause-
umuntu wabantu
you never know ukuthi vele lo mpahla ngathatha sikubeke
showcase
because uma ngasuba nje umjitha nje ongenabo ubuntu
ungenabo
umjitha ongenabo ubuntu
yeah
into engeveli yenzeke futhi ukuthi you lose a lot of opportunities unganakile ukuthi nje wena uyile yodwa nje
Kezwakala wala.
Mfethu vele ngidide. Siyaqonda nawe vele.
Awusamba na.
Mfethu okay ngifuna ukubuza document properties.
let's do it yeah
Ngifuna nje on behalf of ama-rap or ama-hip hop artists.
yeah
What's the state of the industry, South Africa? What can you say about the industry here? The state, is it booming?
it's coming bro
Particularly dog since nje ukudlula ka-AKA. Mhlawumbe mangasho njalo mina because I consider the guy, you know, to be
A big dog.
sure
affect industry ukshona kwe-heavyweight AKA nje. What's the state of hip hop in South Africa?
I feel like
Yana lihlekile liyakupopota strong.
and that's
alisakokotli inside lalikokota kudala very inside now abasakokoti so that's it
hip hop never died. It just turned into it grew. Jabo Fetty,
It's evolved.
it evolved, dog. It's not going to trap or but right now we have hip hop. Here it's a PDB dance music, a PDB, piano.
sure
Cause look at the piano niggas, dog. But Jing as the hip hop niggas. Well, I'm a musician, but I love hip hop, right?
Yeah.
But go like hip hop niggas, right? Drip levels,
Yeah.
you know, sneakers, bro, everything. And I think they kill it more than the hip hop niggas right now, right?
Sure.
The drip level, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
The lifestyle, dog.
yeah
You know, so, and most of the piano artists used to be rappers, though.
most of them
Most of them used to be rappers.
true
I was talking about that, brother. But hitting the bulls would see how important is it to be versatile with artists.
Super important. Thank you so much for asking that question.
yeah
Because I think it piano big basic as a musician, you need to be versatile.
Sure.
Yeah.
They incorporated different genres.
yeah almost Caesar alkaline they changed
Exactly,
from being
bro.
resin to Caesar
He was a rapper, dog.
sure
Dougie, it's very messed up to box yourself as an artist.
yeah
Yeah, well,
Because feel like Doug fits Nigga music. You feel me?
Ninga cool.
Like,
Yeah.
well, it's like how you can do whatever.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
you can even do maskand.
Yeah.
But pop it though.
Yeah.
Pop it out.
Benzema cool.
You know, daba
Sure.
Popeye right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm Fetsu, if you box yourself, dog, you never know. But me and Fetsu, even on Striker Summer Fans, I have a piano song. Motorama cool. Yeah, so we need to we need to protect it by working on it and shit.
Yeah.
So yeah, never box yourself. Dog mo share and
Try R&B if it's, yeah.
uza ngathi ufuna ukushaya manje wena mfethu deep house shit deep
Try to power.
so DJ dog.
Ungayibophezeli ukuthi usuyi hip hop artist. Just be a musician.
You can
be an
be
artist.
everything,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
But as long as you put your mind and your shoulders to it,
Sure,
and
sure.
also be talented,
Yeah.
that's not it.
Ungayenzi just because you
Or be
can.
skillful. you know?
Sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, I have a feel
Yeah.
because I think it piano for it to go now. Even on an international level.
Yeah.
Try to biology.
Yeah,
Currently, yeah.
It's
Yeah,
done.
currently, yeah.
The house music, I look at cope and stuff. Yeah. I think it piano, no.
Yes. And you,
Try to.
And I
and
think
more than anything, bro, piano has changed a lot of people's lives.
lives, yeah. Lento obuyisho ukuthi njengamanje leya sound, it's our sound kahle kahle.
Yeah.
It was just like quiet at that time because if sound creates
Yeah.
ithina, we need to try and protect it ngayo yonke indlela. So if you are artist njengawo usho ukuthi hip hop artist,
Yeah.
at the same time uneyingoma
Yeah.
eyikhona ze piano, yabo. That
Yeah,
means
bro.
that's you being versatile. Lento
Yeah.
sikhuluma ngayo ukubaluleka kwayo, yabo. But if you can do it, not ukuthi just
you
because you
can
can do hip hop
You
usuzongena
know what I mean? Yeah, that,
no.
But-
If you can,
If you can.
mawukwazi,
Malume phela. Yaphezulu malume.
mawukwazi.
Uyena yedwa umalume. Uyena yedwa umalume. Asenze umalume.
Showcase.
This is my last question because I feel it over here. Last days, mama,
Yeah.
Yeah,
you was of the hip hop artist, you know, like your top three in South are killing it in the industry
right now.
Yes, sir. South, you know, it's all Southern DNA, you know. So the top artist top three.
Oh, three.
Who are
Who are killing it?
with hip hop
Right now.
Your top
right
three.
now.
That's for JRMO.
This is for Emma.
That's for JRMO.
It's my money.
Yes, sir.
That's the
Oh, it's excluding OPs because obviously.
yeah, but I mean, Big Razzo's the first, you know.
Yeah.
Boys, you gotta listen. You gotta listen to Ile Defensi, Chef Beast, dog. His
Chef
album.
Beast.
Like, he also dropped an album, Beast
Yes.
RSA. You know what I'm saying?
Showcase.
Yeah.
Chef
But yeah, Nasty C's our father. Well, for the kids, cause we are the kids.
Yeah.
So we ain't no
Singabantwanyana.
my face, but
We are his nieces.
right? So Gubakshio, but he's our father. Hey, agreed, dog. Hey,
Yeah.
you know. But yeah, bro, Durban, J. For solo, but to buy Nasty C, Tony Diamante. It's my man. Rubane Lev, the 3-1. Yeah.
Number one.
No Josie artist, no nothing. Nah.
Ufuna neJozi wena. Wazi ba neJozi wena.
If I had a
Kikwa, Josie.
for Joe, well, the thing is, this shit Josie they are KZN, but
Oh, yeah.
But in like South Africa, dog, if I had to pick one, dog, Big Jama, dog, in La Lisa, dog.
Ah, that's a
bro.
brazo.
Come on,
That's a
bro.
brazo level.
Come on, dog. Come on, bro. That nigga, yo, man, my only wish right now is for that nigga to fill up stadiums, cause I know he can, and then that's it.
No, not ukuthi
Yeah.
he can. Mfethu, this guy ufika athi namhlanje is hosting an event. Even sold out within
24 hours,
Man.
dog.
Yeah, Paul goes the following day he must come back. Say, brazo, please go to stadiums now. Hashtag fill up FNB Stadium. Java.
Hashtag fill up Moses Mapidi Stadium.
Moses Mapil. Yonke into ngala edubane.
And after local
Yeah,
rights,
yeah,
done.
Yeah.
Sisambe sasafika kwizinga le-championship level.
Uthi bewazi.
Can't with the name level.
Uthi bewazi.
But what did you know? So Mulana, the champions.
Yeah, he's a little.
Yeah, champions.
Yeah, I'm
Because when the champions, what was from that did you know? Openly without. That's what I'm
the money give you a little more official, but when
Yeah. Oh. That's how we roll.
So I just read anyone.
Yeah, did you know?
Did you know Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital? Oh, Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital is the largest hospital in the world. That's crazy.
Lessons.
In the world.
Who doesn't know that?
Chris Hani Baragwanath. Yeah.
Biggest in the world.
In the world. In the world. That's crazy.
I thought it's continental, that shit.
Cap.
I know no.
Cap.
No, you can't doubt Chappies. No. I'm doubting Chappies, man. Oh, you doubting who JR? That JR is reading something else.
No, that's
But
Cap.
that's it, mate. Yeah, it's the largest. Yeah,
I thought
it's
it
the
was like
largest.
continental shit, like continental.
It's the
The Baragwanath.
It's a. I no.
You saw it.
Yeah, it's so it.
Yeah, it's
Hey, mina ukuthi kezi kukhala ngaso nje futhi in terms of ama-conditions aso
I bet.
yabo mangifunda ama-techniques.
Oh, yeah. I think Baragwanath.
Khumbula sezintwana kuthiwa
Iparagwana. It's on.
Shall I read another one? No? Oh,
Yeah, another one, bro.
Did you know chocolate was used as medicine in the 18th centuries? What? It was believed it could cure stomach ache. So, did you know chocolate was used as medicine in the 18th centuries? It was believed it could cure stomach ache.
Tshisa nje ahlahle ukuthi
Ichocolate opasa ngesi sometimes usudla kakhulu dona.
Ama-booklets,
Mime kuthiwa it was.
Is yeah. Oh, good work, Brooklyn. Yeah.
could be true that because it's a similar thing like Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola ngiyakhumbula ukuthi it started as into yase-pharmacy, medicine of some sort nakhona.
Sure. And then egcina
So something Coke kodwa nje because yayimnandi kuyagcina
modify yenziwa njani. Yeah.
yeah. Is there another one?
There should be 3.
But yeah, deserts are, I think, deserts are second only to tropical rainfall in the variety of plants.
Okay, if that crazy, I don't even know what that means.
So did you know deserts are second only to tropical rainforest in the variety of plants?
Oh, so like they got the most plants on my deserts. Imagine that. Because that's
I don't know.
we rainforest.
Yeah.
forest phela yeah ngithina ama plants
So there's no plants
So-
for deserts.
sure
Like it's only rainforest.
enkulu enamalokhuz amaningi kusho into kanjalo but inkinga isingisi
Yeah, you know, the man.
kumele uthi did you know bewubhale ngokuthi uthi bewazi
One more game. There's one more. Okay, what the category?
That's again okay
Did you know chilies and sweet pepper have more vitamin C than almost any other fruit and vegetable?
Okay, shit. Be healthy now. There's another.
Yo, eat chilies and sweet, but with chilies, but Thank you so much, my face, for the showcase.
Okay, shout out to JR, shout out to us, shout out to G,
shout out
Shout
to
out to
everyone
the
on
team,
Facebook.
Buddha
Shout out to the
G.
viewers. Shout out to Chi.
shout out to Stenjo
Shout out
Visuals
to Stranger Visual.
for making sure
Yo,
ukuthi
thank you so much.
we
Shout
look
out,
like-
shout out to you.
Go crazy.
Okay.
Say, Emo, yo. Shout out to DJ Acid on the song.
Exactly.
Shout out to
Fuck Acid.
Fucking Acid.
Fuck Acid.
Shout out to DJ.
Fucking Acid.
Fuck Acid. Fuck Acid. Pen.
Showcase.
Only put them to like a pop. It's 4 lines.
Fuck Acid. Pen.
Yeah, fucking Acid. Say, we are lala.
Alo uyavuka.
Finish. Say, we out.
Away.